Buenos dias, clase. Welcome to week 14. Today is April 16th, and it's time to review the week. Due by Friday. Let's start right there. We have assignments to be turned in by Friday at 3 p.m. So, okay, this is the oral video assignment. And also, you're going to go to the testing center and take exam 4, okay, by Friday at 3 o'clock. I will be sending this in today in just a few minutes, so it will be there. If you want to go in anytime during this week and take it, wonderful. Also, let's make sure that we get this oral video assignment in. Alrighty? Okay, now, taking a look, you guys are going to be going over and practicing with me. I'm going to produce a few videos going over the direct object and direct object pronouns, the way you will see them on the test. Speaking of the test, and attached is a copy of this document, which is just the format of the test. So the first section, as always, is going to be preguntas personales, some personal questions. ¿Qué prefieres, chocolate o hamburguesas? And you will write, prefiero chocolate, whatever. Vocab, as always. The family, la hija de mi hermano es mi. So the daughter of my brother is my niece, sobrina, right? You'd write the word, mi sobrina. So, stem changing verbs. There will be an exercise over the stem changing verbs. You'll have to conjugate them, but also here, you'll have to conjugate the verb appropriately that is in parentheses. There'll be a whole number of these. Saber versus conocer. You need to distinguish. You guys have the video that I sent you on that. There are a lot of other videos available online. I will also probably send out an exercise with that. Then we have the big one, probably the hardest part of the chapter, which is the direct object pronouns. You answer the questions utilizing the correct direct object pronoun. We will go ahead and have some videos that I'll produce during the week to review those. And then you have the culture, which is pretty much verbatim out of what you've done in Nuestro Mundo. Okay? Alrighty, if you have any questions, you know how to get a hold of me. I do want to go back, though, before I sign off here. I want to go backwards a bit to last week. You have some videos, Saber Conocer. Ana does a great job here. Some of these exercises, some of you got them to me, some of you didn't. And then moving forward, this is really, really important. Let's take a look at the next weeks. So we have next week, which is, of course, week 15. Okay? Excuse me, I spoke incorrect, which is next week, which is week 14, the 20th. Oh, yes, week 15, April 23rd through the 27th. And this is going to be all review for the exam. We're going to be reviewing. I'm going to be sending out assignments. I'm going to reassign a lot of my Spanish lab stuff from the last 2 chapters, okay, from chapters 3 and 4. I'm going to specifically look back at things that I think are problematic for you guys to review. It's really important that you pay attention to this, all right, because I don't want you to miss those points. And then the final exam is due the following week on Wednesday, or let's do by Wednesday, May 2nd at 3 p.m. This is really important. I'm actually going to extend that when I send it in. I'm going to make it 5 p.m. I'm going to make it 5 p.m. so you guys have that extra time. Now, you might be wondering why I require it to be so early. Well, very simply, there aren't enough hours in the day to grade all these, okay? Because I have, 3 online classes and 2 other classes here, and I've got a lot of grading to do. If I'm going to get those grades turned in on time, we're going to do it earlier. And this is the date that's been stated from the beginning. So, anyhow, I will make sure that gets in there. I'm also going to give you a rundown, a preview of the final exam, and I'll try to send that out today as well. Okay? Have a great day. Be good. Be safe. The roads can get slippery. So, que tengan buen día. Adios.